Yo, how's it going? Hope y'all having a good day. I'm about ready to piss some people off. Yes. It's okay. But I am responding to comments I got from my video, this one right here. All right. So I got 3 comments on this video. Now, here's the problem. People think one of them was, if you're scared, don't bring up whatever. It's not being scared. I'm not scared about anything. That's not the problem. Then the next one was, then why you do content about it? Sorry, that's also not the reason either. And then the third one actually really got under my skin. And that's what took me so long to answer this. But to the first 2 of the comments, I want to show you something. Let me show you. I'm not scared. Right now I'm helping somebody clear problems that were created by other YouTubers. That when I found out what video this person was watching, one of my methods was actually in this video. And it wasn't explained why my method was in this video. I don't know why the person used the method, but I don't really care. Again, I don't care why they used it. That wasn't the problem. The problem is that people are running into problems using the method without the explanations. That's the problem. And I saw my method again, another one of my methods, somewhere else in another YouTube video. And again, it wasn't explained properly. And I know who copied those methods is going to have a ton of problems with that copied method, because they didn't even do it properly. Yes. I'm not trying to be mean, selfish, scared, or whatever you think I'm trying to be. I just won't want people to run into more problems than they're already having. DTF on itself is already a headache. Just starting the printer the wrong way will give you a nightmare of a headache. And these guys, it's a brand new printer they're working on. Brand new printer they're working on. And I'm here with them as best as I can to help them clear this clog. Yes, they got a clog because of the method that the person didn't explain. I'm going to digress. So don't think I'm trying to be scared. I'm trying to be some kumquat from nowhere, or whatever the hell is I'm trying to do, whatever. That is not my problem. I just don't want to see my method cause people more problems than they already having. Because if you're into DTF at all, just for 5 minutes, you will learn that DTF is a headache. DTF is a nightmare just on its own. You don't need no help for that. So my channel I created for people to not have headaches. I'm not here to misguide people. I'm not here to give people more problems than they need to. This is why if I do something, I come back with a video as soon as I can to come up with corrections. Or tell people, hey, you may not want to do that because that's a problem. Don't try this. Look, my channel, I'm no hypocrite, and I leave my right one and I leave the wrong one. I don't take them off. Unless something is totally wrong, I'm like, I don't want you to do that at all. Then I'll come back and I'll take it down and I'll put up another video saying, hey, look, I was wrong. Look there, they're on there. My channel tell you that I was wrong. I'm not gonna lie about it because I hate giving people misinformation. It's the worst thing you could do. I don't like it. I don't like people doing it to me, so I'm not gonna do it to someone else. So yes, I'm upset when people use my methods. Not because they're using it, because they're not explaining it or using it correctly. And it's causing problems for others. Just because they want to inflate their ego, my point, and feed their pockets. That's not what I'm here for. So if you want to use my methods, I don't have a problem with it. But don't try to misinform people and cause more problems than they're already having. That's not what I'm about, and I'm not going to sit here and let people use my methods to cause people more problems. So far, this is number 4 or 5 person I'm helping, cleaning up other people's problems. I don't have time for this. And I'm talking to this person right now, and they're telling me that they come across other channels with people with the same problem they're having, and nobody's helping them. So why should I be happy with that kind of, misuse of information? So yes, that's why I'm not happy, or I don't know what to do with coming out with my information. If people are going to use it wrongfully or not even explain why they're doing what they're doing, then please don't use my don't misguidedly use don't use my information incorrectly or misguide people using my information. I just don't like it. I don't like it and I don't want it. Don't do it. So it's not scared. I don't want people to have more headaches than they already have. Because, as you know, DTF got too much damn problems. But if you want to go follow them people and think I'm scared, knock yourself out. You don't have to watch my channel. I'm not begging you to watch my channel. I'm not asking you to watch my channel. Again, this is a hobby for me. This is me helping you. And if you can't see me helping you is a good thing, then I don't know what to tell you. Go somewhere else. And as for my third comment, again, thank you for the comments, but please, think about what you say before you say it. I love the comments. As you can see, all my videos, I love comments. I love people giving me feedback. This is how you keep moving. Two-way conversations. That's how this thing works. That's how we move forward. But don't bring ignorance and misery here. We don't need it. We already have enough on our own. Everybody got misery and ignorance. Keep that stuff to yourself. I'm here to help you. If you need help, ask me. I'll be more than happy to help you. But I'm not here to bully people or count on people or make people feel small about themselves. That's not what I'm about. I'm about to help you and pick you up. And the third comment. Dude. Thank you for the comments. Again, thank you. Love the comments. Keep them coming. Don't stop. Even if they piss me off, make me upset, keep them coming. I want to see them. The third comment. Let's be honest. The big benefits of printing 1440. Let's be honest. What's the big benefit of printing 1440 when the printer prints perfectly fine with regular conversion? I think you're just thinking too hard about it. I like your videos when you were what? When you were trying to show how to do the vacation mode or use rolls of film when you draw a channel, blah, blah, blah. Bro, 14 Pro does not perfect prints already. No, look, man. Pimp, thank you for your comment. I love you. I got nothing but love for you. But this is a big but. You really haven't been paying attention to my channel. And you really haven't been listening. Because for the past 2 or 3 weeks now, I have been literally making videos on the benefits of 1440 over 720. For the past 4 or 5 years now, ever since DTF exists, or hell, any printing ever existed, people have been striving for higher resolution prints. And there's a reason for that. They are superior in every way. Print quality, durability, it's just better in every way, shape, and form. If you print 720 and 1440 and put them up side by side, I guarantee you, unless you're blind or you got something wrong with your eyes, you cannot tell the difference. You will tell that difference immediately. Just oh, damn. It's that much of a difference just by looking at them. When you go to press them, it's a huge difference on how they come off on your fabrics. When you apply powder to them, it's a huge difference on how the powder comes off on the fabrics. It's just a way better quality print. It's a way better quality product when you print 1440 by 14 over 720. It's just way better. Especially when it comes to fine details. It's just superior in every way, shape, and form. But you haven't been paying attention to anything in the DTF world, as a matter of fact. And anybody tell you anything different, they don't like you. There's a reason why every manufacturer right now that make a DTF printer is making them at 1440 by 1440. They're not doing that just because they can. They're doing it because they need to. It's not a competition thing. It's not a, oh, let me just make a printer. No, they're doing it because it is superior. The 720 thing is not, it's not nothing to talk about. It's not good quality. And you see it when you go buy product from somewhere. This is why if you look at certain people's product stuff, or when you buy certain things from certain people, your stuff don't look right and don't look good because it's just not good quality crap. It's what it is. It's just crap. It's not good stuff because it wasn't print properly. But if you want to keep selling that stuff to your clients, you go ahead. And the second somebody come on the market in your neighborhood or your area and start printing 1440 by 1440 products, you're going to be out of business. But you do you. I'm not here to shove my philosophy down your throat. I'm here to give you information. Again, this is a hobby for me, not a business. I don't own a business. I don't have a business. This is me taking my time out of my days to help you. And if you can't see me helping you, it's a good thing. I don't know what to tell you. I know I'm not upset. It just hurts a little to know that you're trying to help people and people just spit in your face. It's kind of sad, really. But, like I say, I ain't got nothing but love for none of y'all. Love for all of you. Love all the way around, because it's too hard to hate people. I ain't got time for all that foolishness. Hate takes way too much work, and I'm too damn lazy for that. All right? Peace.